Global warming. Introduction to global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. It is a core component of broader climate change and represents one of the most pressing environmental, social, and economic challenges of the modern era. Evidence and temperature trends. Evidence and temperature trends. Since the Industrial Revolution, Earth's average temperature has risen by approximately 1.5 degrees Celsius. The year 2024 ranked as the warmest on record, with global temperatures exceeding pre-industrial averages by about 1.6 degrees Celsius. The Arctic and land regions have warmed more rapidly than oceans. If current trends continue, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, projects an increase of 2.1 degrees Celsius to 3.5 degrees Celsius by 2100 under moderate emission scenarios, and up to 5.7 degrees Celsius under high-emission scenarios. Environmental impacts. Environmental impacts. The effects of global warming are visible across ecosystems worldwide. These include rising sea levels, melting glaciers, increased frequency of extreme weather events like hurricanes and droughts, expanded deserts, and ocean acidification. One major concern is the potential crossing of climate tipping points, such as the irreversible melting of the Greenland and West Antarctic ice sheets. Such events could lead to multi-meter sea level rise over centuries. Humans and societal consequences. Humans and societal consequences. Global warming threatens human health, food security, and global economies. It increases the risk of heat-related illnesses, vector-borne diseases, and water scarcity. Agriculture faces disruptions due to changing rainfall patterns and prolonged droughts, and coastal cities face flooding risks. The World Health Organization has called climate change one of the greatest threats to global health in the 21st century. Solution and mitigation. Solution and mitigation. Mitigating global warming requires reducing greenhouse gas emissions and enhancing carbon sinks. Transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and nuclear power is essential. Forest conservation, reforestation, and climate-smart agriculture can also help absorb atmospheric carbon. The 2015 Paris Agreement seeks to limit warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, ideally aiming for 1.5 degrees Celsius. However, current national commitments put the world on course for approximately 2.8 degrees Celsius of warming by 2100. Outlook. Outlook. Without rapid and coordinated action, global warming will continue to accelerate irreversible environmental changes. The IPCC warns that limiting warming to safer thresholds requires achieving net zero emissions globally by around 2070. The coming decades will be critical in determining whether humanity can avoid the most severe and lasting consequences of this phenomenon. Challenges and environmental impacts. Challenges and environmental impacts. Large-scale AI model training and usage consumes considerable electricity and may generate significant carbon emissions. For example, generative AI is estimated to push data centers' share of global electricity consumption toward about 3% by 2030. One analysis states that each query to OpenAI's chatbot uses ~2.9 watt-hours of electricity, and that the cumulative effect is non-trivial. Because much of the electricity and cooling water required depends on the local grid's carbon intensity and infrastructure, the environmental footprint varies widely. Position and vision. Position and vision. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has argued that the energy spent on AI, even if high, may be justified if AI helps accelerate breakthroughs to address the climate crisis, for example, discovering new forms of clean energy or other big interventions. Conclusion. Conclusion. Global warming's conclusion is that it is a severe, ongoing crisis driven by human activity, which requires both global collective action and individual changes to mitigate its devastating effects on weather, ecosystems, and human health. The conclusion emphasizes the urgency of implementing solutions like switching to renewable energy and conserving resources, while also adapting to inevitable changes through measures like resilient infrastructure.